Hi, I'm John. It is March 16th, 2016, and I'm doing a video for the Survival Weekly contest. As I said, I'm John, and this is
Johnny!
That's right, and what are we doing today?
Get bug outs bag!
Yeah, we're going to put together a child bug out bag, huh?
Yeah.
And why do we need a bug out bag?
To go in the woods!
Yep, and what are we going to do in the woods?
Eat snake!
Eat snakes!
Yeah.
You're silly.
And make snake soup!
Snake soup! Awesome. What else are we going to do out there?
We're gonna build a tent!
Yes, we are. Awesome.
And make a fire!
Yeah. You got here, this is your very own bug out bag. We're going to put all the stuff in there. It's sized just for you so you can carry it in the woods.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Okay.
First, let's get
See?
on me. It fits!
Yes, it does. How cool is that?
And if you need any help in the woods, just ask for help.
Yep. All right, first thing we're going to do, we're going to make you a first aid kit tin.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is mine, and then I have a second one.
Yeah. So let's start putting some stuff in there.
I
Hold
want
on,
to do the
hold on,
soap
sit back.
first.
No, you put the Band-Aids in first. What are those?
Band-Aids
Yep, what are those for?
for snake bites,
And what else?
tree cuts.
Yep. Okay, go ahead and put those in there. Squish them down a little bit so they fit in. There we go. Okay, this is antiseptic wipers for if you get cut. You wipe that on there and
And
it
then-
makes the germs go away. Oh.
If,
And what's this?
soap,
And what's the soap for?
washing your hands,
And why do we wash our hands?
so that we don't get germs.
Exactly. Good job. And if you get cut, this is some more germ medicine we'll put in there. You put that on your boo-boos before you put a Band-Aid on there. And then here's
Yeah,
some first
and-
aid cream.
And this soap. Now let's close
Hang on, we
it
got
up.
more stuff. There's some alcohol wipes to clean off some boo-boos.
Yeah.
Make it nice and clean. And we'll put a couple safety pins in there just in case we need them. All right, let's close her up. And there's your first aid kit, huh?
Yeah, and
Let's-
now
Put that right in here in the
Yep.
front pouch of your
yeah.
bag so you can
and
get
now
to
we're
it
gonna
with these.
work on my second one.
Yep, your second tin. Show it to the camera so they see the front. Now the front. Yep. Who is that?
Link.
Yep. And here we got, that's a ferro rod. That makes sparks for fire. And what's that?
A flashlight to dry up those that charge the battery. How do you?
Push the little button. Push the button right there.
Where?
No. With your thumb right there. Push right there.
Let me see.
There you go. You put that in your tin. That'll be your light and fire tin, huh?
That's not very many stuff.
Yeah, well, we'll put more stuff in there later as we
Okay.
get more stuff, okay? We'll put that
Yes,
down there
Dad.
with the first aid kit.
That's
Now-
my second kit.
Now, if we're out at night, if it's nighttime, what do we need to have with us? So we can see.
The other flashlight.
Is that your flashlight?
Yes, it's a different flashlight. The
Yep.
other one is for charging.
And what's this?
Oh, this is a glow thing.
Yeah.
You
How do you
charge
charge
it.
it?
By putting light on it.
Yeah.
Let's charge it up.
Good job. Okay. That's pretty charged, huh? Look. It glows, huh? You can use that to see at nighttime, huh?
And this flashlight.
Yeah. Okay, we'll put this flashlight in the outside pocket so you can get to it.
Yeah, and here.
And here, we'll hang your glow stick right on the bottom so that you can see it. How about that? And what's this? A glow stick.
A glow stick.
Yeah, that's the one, remember, you break them and shake them. Don't do it now. We'll put this in your bag in case we need it, huh?
What did we do it for the long long time ago?
Yep. And
What's that?
that's a camp towel. That opens up into a towel so you can wash your hands and your face. With what do we use a towel with?
Water and soap.
Yes, exactly. We'll put this out here so you can get to it easily. And we got this for you.
What is this?
That's an emergency blanket. It'll keep you warm if it gets cold, and guess what you can make with that?
What?
A tent. How about that?
Yes. And this is, Mommy, you're gonna be in this state. That's going in the woods is gonna be in our tent.
Okay.
Let's put this in my backpack
Okay.
for safekeeping.
Okay. And what else do we need to make a tent? What is that?
Rope.
Yep. What color is it?
Purple.
Yep. And we can use that to make a tent or do other stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Put that in the
And
bag.
make another knife for
Yep.
Dad.
Put that in the bag. Good job.
Why didn't you do it in this
And
one?
Because it goes in the big one. Those are some hand warmers in case it gets cold. You
What?
can put those in your gloves or in your shoes and keep you warm.
It doesn't dry out?
Nope.
Good.
All right. Look at those. What are those? Show those to the camera.
Earplugs.
And who's on?
SpongeBob.
Yeah.
SpongeBob's on them because he's my favorite guy.
Yeah. Sometimes we need to wear earplugs, huh?
Yeah, let's open it up and
No.
see.
So we'll put it inside the pack so we have them in our bag.
Okay, Dad.
Now it's dinner time. What do you got to have for dinner time?
But can we play out?
No, I mean, if we're playing in the woods and we're going to have dinner, what do we got to have dinner?
Snake.
Snakes?
It's snake soup.
And what's that?
Fork spoon.
Yep. And what are you going to eat with that?
Snake. Snake soup. Because
Very cool.
because you
And what are we going to do with that?
drink water.
And what else can we do with that? What are you going to cook in that?
Snake. Snake soup.
Snake soup. We love the snake soup, huh? We'll put
Yeah.
this in a big pot.
Mommy,
That's going to be mainly for water, though, huh?
mommy,
So we
mama.
can have some water.
It's okay if you eat snake soup because it's gonna have vegetables in it, right?
Yeah. And what if it's raining out? What's that?
This is my
Your poncho.
poncho.
Yeah. We'll put that in a waterproof bags. And we can put some extra clothes in here for you, too, in case you get wet.
Yeah.
You want to roll that up and seal it up.
Yeah. This video is fun.
I know.
Now,
I was having fun with
come
you.
outside, guys.
No, we're not done yet.
What?
Not done yet.
What? How? How are you not done?
What's this?
Food.
Yep. And what's in there?
Snacks.
Yep.
To eat if you get really, really hungry. Is there any vegetables in here?
Yes, there probably is some vegetables in there. And what can we use with the vegetables for?
Soup.
What kind of soup?
Snake soup.
Yep.
I never had snake soup.
Oh, I know. You've been wanting snake soup since you watched Fat Guys in the Woods, huh?
Yeah.
And then this is a paracord grenade.
Yeah, you pull it out. You
And what's
pull
inside there?
fish and stuff.
Yeah.
You pull it really hard.
Yep, and it comes apart, huh? See,
Yeah.
this clips right on the outside of your bag. So we'll put that right there.
Okay. Now we'll go. Now we'll go in the woods. Just for practice.
Now that's a pretty good bug out bag so far, huh?
Yeah.
We can add to it though, can't we?
Okay.
So we find cool stuff. Let's get her zipped up and you can put it on and see how it feels.
Yeah, and then we'll go in the woods for a little walk.
Yep.
And then
We can go-
check out the woods.
Yep.
You're not gonna eat snake, guys. We're gonna eat snake and just us are gonna eat snake. Yeah, just us.
Okay.
Right now, once we go in the woods today,
Okay.
we're just testing it and make sure they're healthy and good to taste like.
Okay.
You guys don't have to eat them.
Here, put your pack on.
This is gonna be so fun. The video's
Come here,
not.
let's get her adjusted right. There's a little strap there.
It feels heavy and good.
Yeah.
So let's go in the woods. You guys are coming with us, though. Because the video's not over yet, is it, Dad?
Just about, honey. This part of it. We'll
Yeah.
shoot another one later up in the woods. We'll adjust your pack a lot more.
Yeah,
Okay, how's that?
great. Welcome back. Wait, we say that welcome back once we're in the woods.
Okay. We'll go in the woods in a
Okay,
minute.
this
Let's-
video's over.
No, it's not. Let's just sit down and wrap it up. Hop in your chair.
Okay, this is almost over.
Yeah, we're almost done.
And then another video comes up.
Yeah.
And
So
then
what did we do today?
fill in my bug out bag.
Yep. And what do we do a bug out bag for?
It's Flat Guys in the Woods. Because Flat Guys in the Woods is very important. Because you get a really good, healthy treat. Snake. A snake.
Yeah, and you also learn a lot of stuff about being in the woods, huh?
Yeah.
How to build shelters and start fires.
It's a good thing it's a good thing we went to Kentucky once I know what to do.
Yeah.
Okay, now
Okay, let's say goodbye. Say, this is Johnny.
this is Johnny on PCTC Into the Woods. I'm just gonna call it that, okay, Dad?
You can call it that.
And
All right,
once
everybody, as you can see, it's a lot of fun to
Yeah.
involve your children and build a bug out bag. Teach them as much as you can about survival. We like to go walks on the
We're
woods
gonna have
and
another one.
talk about trees and plants and look at the wildlife, and also work on basic skills, starting fires, building shelters, collecting firewood to get fires going, learning what type of tinder to use. So we go over that. Even though she's only 4, you can see she's picked up a lot. Keep reinforcing that and reinforcing that. Of course, she always does it with an adult to make sure that everything's safe. She does a lot of watching, and then let her practice some as she feels comfortable with it. But I hope you enjoyed our video, and I guess we're gonna go in the woods and look for snake. See you later.
Yeah, see you